Welcome to another property listing from the premier agents of Coldwell Banker Vanguard Real Estate. This 4-bedroom and 3-bath home was built in 2003. This home is approximately 2,576 square feet. For more information on this and other residential properties for sale in this area, contact the listing agent whose phone number is on the right. Thank you for viewing our real estate video, and we hope you enjoy the remainder of this property tour.